Give the locations of the asymptotes and holes. In order to identify the horizontal asymptote, we are going to look at the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. Since the degree of the numerator is 2 and the degree of the denominator is also 2, it is going to abide by this last rule here. So since they're the same, the leading coefficient of the numerator is 1 divided by the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is also 1, gives us our horizontal asymptote, which is 1 in this case. Next, we're going to look at the vertical asymptote. In order to do that, we need to simplify the expression. So the top factors into x plus 9 and x plus 3, because 3 times 9 is 27 and 3 plus 9 is 12. Our bottom factors into x plus 11 and x plus 3, because 11 times 3 is 33 and 11 plus 3 is 14. We can divide out the x plus 3 in the top and bottom, leaving us with a simplified expression of x plus 9 over x plus 11. In order to identify the x value, or the vertical asymptote, we're looking for when the denominator of the simplified expression equals 0. So when x plus 11 equals 0, x equals negative 11. This gives us the location of our vertical asymptote. Last, we need to identify if there are any holes. Because we did cancel out or divide out the same factor in the numerator as well as the denominator, if we set that factor equal to 0, then we will see where the x value is of our hole. So the x value for our hole is at negative 3. In order to find the y value of that hole, we are going to plug negative 3 into our simplified expression. So negative 3 plus 9 over negative 3 plus 11, which gives us 6 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator, which can be simplified to 3 over 4, or 3/4. So our y value of our hole is at 3/4.